She dances her very own island beautifully, the island of Tonga. I want to please a big round of applause for the one and the only fancy, Nancy Fifita.
Malole! My name is Nancy Fifita. I am 10 years old, and I am so grateful and honored to be here to sing for Ivana Moy. Of living life on a merry-go-round, and you can't find the lighter. I see it in you, so we can walk it out and move mountains. We can walk it out and move.